I'm here at Smashbox Studios with the best brow artist ever, Christy Stryker. Christy, welcome to the studios.
Thank you.
I mean, you have seen Christy's work on some of the top celebrities on the red carpets in an amazing editorial.
It's kind of cliche, but they say that the eyes are the windows to the soul.
Agreed.
So the eyebrows are the frames to the windows of the soul. So I feel like it is really important to have, you know, a full, beautifully shaped, I believe, natural eyebrow. It can really define not only the eyes, but the bone structure of the face. And it can really accentuate cheekbones. And sometimes, you know, the opposite, if they're poorly shaped or they're too round, it can really accentuate dark circles and things like this.
So it's our Brow Tech Shaping Powder. I love this product because it creates fullness and volume, right?
Yeah, and I like it because you can build it. So you can come straight from the pot and go straight onto the brow, and it gives you like a really strong brow. You can always add more.
Right.
This is the tip.
That's the tip. It looks so great on Zana's brow. And I think the thing I love about it, it's the applicator. It has that very like fine tip. So it's almost like drawing in hair.
I'm tapping a little bit of the product on the skin as well, which is creating the illusion of hair underneath.
Yeah, and the depth.
Skin. Exactly.
And that depth that we want.
And I kind of tucked it into the center of the brow. You're not really going along the top and the bottom. I just kind of laid it inside and did like an inner line. So I'm coming back in the other direction now as well, just to coat all sides of the hair and really build it up, and it's going to create a lot of volume.
And again, that precision applicator, it really helps you just to kind of get in there and lightly coat and really draw on the brow.
Yeah, and it actually fluffs the cuticle, and it makes them look more full.
Yeah, like they have more volume. Powder. It's like a volume powder for your brows.
Right.
Which is so fantastic. Exactly. Smashbox, Genius at Smashbox.